Hello everybody. I am Thailiar. Today I'm going to describe about my US mansion. How is my US mansion here? It is very amazing journey. I'm going to describe about my US mansion, how we are living in the mansion, what it is all about, what are the areas of the mansion, how it is all look, how modernity is there in in our mansion, how modernity feels there, how modern it is, how the all rooms are there, all the parts of our mansion, all the spaces of our mansion, all the floors of our mansion, everything I'm gonna describe in this video very amazingly. So from beginning, our in our our entrance is a grand entrance. When I'm communicating about it, it is a very grand entrance. Our entrance is very grand. It is the grandest of the grandest mansion entrance. So before entering, when we see the entrance, we feel it as the glamorous of the glamorous. It is the glamour of the glamour. It is the glamour of the glamour. We are talking about glamour. It is the glamour of the glamour. Because when we are standing in the entrance and see the entrance gate, it is totally marvelous. It is totally marvelous. It is totally marvelous. We see the gate as a whole, very big gate, very large gate is there. And when we open the gate, the whole entrance comes to our what it called as the reception type thing, where we enter, we feel soothing. We enter, we feel soothing. The area of soothness comes. The area of soothness comes. Totally soothing. Totally soothing. It is a very grand mansion, very big grand mansion. It is not like anything else. It is a very grand mansion. When we enter, we feel very soothing. Thereafter, other rooms are there. So our living room. Let us start from our. Let us start from our living room. Our living room is like that mansion has multiple spheres, multiple dimensions, multiple spaces for doing anything. One can do anything in that mansion. One can do anything in the mansion. Anything. So I began from gym. When I began from gym, I'm talking about living space. Our living space master beds. Our living space comprises master beds, master bathrooms, master room bathrooms, master beds, master storing rooms, everything glamorously designed. How I can describe it in words in this video, that everything is glamorous inside. Everything is glamorous inside. Glamorous chains, glamorous lights, glamorous color, glamorous things. Everything is luxurious, glamorous, very attractive. Very attractive. The word is coming very attractive. These all are very attractive. Very attractive of the attractive, very attractive. Our bathrooms are very soothing. It contains all the essential things, all the essential things that are required in a bathroom to make it a whole complete bathroom. Okay, everything is there present in our bathroom. Thereafter, what happened? And in our gym, so there I have the gym. It is very nice that every day gymming is my part of my life. Gymming, I regularly wake up and enjoy doing gymming there. My gym is full of all the equipments, everything is present there, each and everything is there. I do push-ups, I do everything. I do squats, I do planks, I do etc things is there. Whole chest, whole thighs, whole squat, whole everything. Everything I do hit there very amazingly. Very amazingly I do there. Thereafter, what happens? There we comes to our that is dining hall. That is a grand dining hall. That is two dining halls, not halls. There are spaces like our garden. What do you call? Lawn. When we talk about our lawn, lawn is a biggest lawn where there is a table, dining table, totally there in a dining table is there. Grand dining table is there. Grand of the grand dining table is there. grand of the grand dining table is there, and inside our mansion also a grand dining table is there. When I'm talking about our grand dining table, there very nice, every day our chefs made very nice food items there. Our chefs made very nice new food items that feels very tastier, very tastier. It feels tastier of the tastier. In the hall, in the room, it feels very tastier, very tastier actually. There, after our lunch, breakfast, dinner, everything happens, we enjoy a part that is related to relaxment, like a small bar type place. Small bar type place is there. Usually that is not called a bar, that is called as a place. That is called a place. So called, the place is called as uh um like cocktail mocktail place, we can say it. We have it, we have to name that place, but that place is there where we enjoy drinks, not alcoholic or so called. Their drinks are which are totally very soothing drinks, very very like amazing drinks that are relating to mocktail, cocktail, and juices and etc. things. Is these type of drink items are there after dinner. We after dinner, after breakfast, after lunch, we anytime go and have that. This type of arrangement is there, made inside our mansion. There, a small casino is there inside our mansion. Small casino is there. Thereafter, our master bedroom completed. Game playing area is there. Playing area is all there. Total playing area is there where computer games, playstations, etc. gaming areas, total gaming areas are there. Total gaming areas are there. Thereafter, our garment area is there. Different. It is away from our room. Room has places to store new garments, but we have garment areas. We have garment areas in our mansion spaces where we have multiple, like, I want to say it, infinite garments. Infinite garments we have there. Infinite garments we store there. Whatever garments we like, we go and have it. Whatever like garment, anytime, at any moment we want to wear, go, I wear, I go and wear it. I'm talking about with my counterpart always. Okay. So thereafter, swimming pool. Swimming pools are there, luxurious gardens are there, lawns are there, horse places are there, horse. We have tamed horse. Horse, like taming horse. What do we say? Horse houses are there. These places are there which makes it highest of the highest luxurious places. Our mansion is considered as the luxurious of the luxurious mansion in the world, in the whole world. Yes, I'm saying it, in the whole world. It is amazing living there and luxuriously. Thank you, Divine Universe, for all the arrangement for us. Thank you, Divine Universe, for all such things is for us. It is very important for divine arrangements, guidances, everything. Thank you, Divine Universe, for all for us. It is very amazing. It is very gigantic, very gigantic. We enjoy our life. We do our tasks. We are perform our things. Is everything we perform very nicely. Everything we perform very nicely. Thank you, Divine Universe. I have described my mansion, and our mentioned color is very punky, very different type of color we have used in our different spaces, different areas. We have used various colors. We have used our color magic to enhance the colors of our mansion. Different areas have different colors. Outer color is different, inner color is different. Everywhere we have used scientific methods to color our mansion. It's all like a very planned and systematic and very ordered way we have made our mansion. So in this video today, I have talked about my mansion of my mansion. So it is the grand of the grandiest mansion. We have other private islands, private jets, private things. our private things are there, our all companies are there, our businesses are there, our entertainment fields are there, our contributions are there, our systems are there. So etc things is I'm gonna describe in my other videos. One by one I'm going to describe everything about our life, our video in the videos. Thank you for watching.